Hey, Jay of all trades here, Jason Ganson, author of How to Save Yourself Thousands, Do It Yourself. I've had a lot of people ask me to show how I actually do some of the stuff I do. So I thought I would start a little series on my little projects that I do around inventing and fixing and building and stuff, things that I do. I thought the funnest thing to do to start off would be to inflate a tire that keeps on going flat. There's no tube in it. I'm eventually going to put a tube in it because it keeps going flat. I've done it many times, but since there's fire involved and it gets pretty exciting, I'm going to make this my first video. Anyway, hope you enjoy and maybe learn something. My disclaimer, please be careful when you do this. This is fire. Make sure you have a fire extinguisher handy. Don't start yourself on fire. That'd be great. Safety goggles. You want to wear safety goggles, have gloves on, things like that. So I'm going to show you how to inflate a tire that won't bead and that has no tube. Then in the future, I will put the tube in because I'm tired of doing this and I don't want to blow myself up, quite honestly. So let's get started. I've done this on the lawnmower several times, and I've actually started my lawnmower on fire. So I'm going to take the tire off because I think that's a little bit safer and probably smarter to do. So I'm going to jack up the lawnmower, take the tire off, pretty easy. As you can see, it's a pretty messed up tire. Wearing my Hawaiian shirt because I'm in balmy Minnesota. I've got about 4 feet of snow on the ground, but it's been in the negatives. Negative 53, I think, was the lowest we've had in the last few weeks. Today's 19 degrees above zero, so definitely a heat wave. All right, first thing, you're going to take the cotter sheet off. Cotter pin. Tire pops right off. All right, and I'm gonna see if I can get that blown out a little bit. Probably not gonna work. There's no bead there. Can't do it. Lovely. There we go. All right. Starter fluid. Now keep in mind this isn't for everybody. This is kind of dangerous, but it's sure a lot of fun and it works. Probably done this at least 50 times. So I'm going to use a torch because I don't want to use a match. I will blow myself up. Get that going. Oh, that didn't work. Let's try it again. It smells like burnt rubber. And I'm out. All right, perfect. Okay, I am out of starter fluid, of course. So I'm gonna try brake clean. See if it is flammable first. Hope. All right. You'd be surprised, but this kind of stuff happens to me all the time. So I'm gonna make a run to the store real quick and get some starter fluid. I'll be back in a bit. All right, I'm back. Made a quick trip to the parts store. Probably worked out for the best. I got 2, and they're extra strength starting fluid. So I got enough to blow up the whole house this time. And I forgot the fire extinguisher last time too, so I'm gonna probably keep that handy this time. Much better deal. This is gonna work. And just for the fun of it. Yep, that works. See that? Holy crap. All right, awesome. That is gonna work a lot better. Okay. So I'm gonna get the old torch going. Gonna spray some of the starter fluid inside there. And done. That's how easy it is. Then, to be able to just blow it up. Well, that's it. That's how you bead a tire that you're having trouble with that won't go on bead. Just blow it up.